Good moments, good moments, Africa. One-on-one, welcome to the Acton Show with my co-host.
Call me Beverly Harriet.
In the Acton Show.
You guys, today we are so happy and we are so blessed to have one of the richest guy within Moi University. We're so happy. How are you?
I'm good.
Can you tell us who you are?
Mr. Boy,
Okay.
officially known as Boy Bolamek.
Okay.
Yes, of course, I will have a lot of questions to Bosi. And how comes is the richest guy?
I'm also
You know that title does not just come.
how do you feel to be called the richest guy in Moi University?
Yeah, it brings the respect somehow. Yeah.
So, can you just tell us a little background on how you made it there? Okay.
You may be poor, but is that something from inside that may be pushing? No, I'm not poor. I won't be associated with the poor things. I'm poor, like, you accept, you don't be like, oh, that is my condition. You don't accept that condition that you're poor,
Okay.
So from there, you start doing something.
Okay.
So you start slowly, you build yourself, invest something. The little that you get to invest something, you keep on earning. Though we're not yet there, but we're still climbing.
So, can you tell us how do you manage your studies?
So you have a responsibility to carry your book, you move to class, you listen to what the lecturer is telling you now.
Are you sure you do attend all classes?
80% I do.
80%.
80%.
All 80%. A lot of propaganda. And to our fans who are watching us today, I don't know, they might know you are lying to us about where they get the money from.
Sure.
They don't say that. Maya, I've met most of them. They don't tell you that.
Our people walk outside here with the mentality of me God.
Yeah.
We also have luck.
Okay.
You also have that.
We also have luck,
Sasa sema bahati ya mwenzio
must be on your side. Yeah.
usilalie mlango wazi.
Okay.
Lakini natumai mna bidii za mchwa. Bidii kwanza katika maisha, hata kama ni kwa uongo, lakini uwe na bidii kwanza. Mpenzi mtazamaji, tuko ndani ya Acton Show na leo hii tuko na tajiri. Now Mr. Boy,
Yes.
I have one question for you. Up to this point umepiga hatua fulani ndani ya katika maisha. Umepiga hatua 1, 2 kwa maisha. Hivi ukiamka kesho upate umepoteza kila kitu. What you have is just your mentality and just that. You don't have anything. Unaweza kufanya nini uanze upya ama urudi top? Tunasema ni umekuwa top sasa. Unaweza what are the struggles you are going to make to again get to the top?
First, I won't be scared of losing everything because I was once there,
Yes.
I've been there.
And you haven't lose your life.
Maisha
First thing,
kweli.
if I can lose everything, I only pray that I don't lose the hard work in me to go and
The
look for
mentality,
that
the
man.
positive
Yeah,
mindset.
to go and look for that man again. You don't accept all the situations that you are. Here's where I am now. I accept. Let me now catch up from here. Honestly, with the trust of God, you can come up once again.
Umefatoa ukakuwa sasa that rich guy. How do
Yeah.
you manage the pressure? How people regard
Bosi ni
you?
buy samosa nishikie nini?
Do you always do as they say?
Do you help them?
Do you
Those
help
cheap
them?
things.
Yeah, sure.
For you they're cheap.
But now the pressure of people calling you bossy, it's
Like
very
us.
simple.
It's very simple.
I'll call you first before you call me. So when you guys will
So
come,
nikipanda tu hivi unaniattack. Yake boss.
nianze chairman. Nibaie chai.
Kweli. Nibaie chai. So umeshamfunika.
Shafudika. So
Mtazamaji, natumai unafuata kabisa, unaona vipi tunapiga milundi katika ndani ya Acton Show. Anasema ukimtangulia ama akikupata kwanza atakutangulia kusema sasa boss nishikie chai ya 10 bob.
And this is very simple. When you meet him around, I don't think if it's bad if someone just says hi. There's something will ring in their pesa.
And boss, you love your life to be online so much.
but I prefer doing things private.
Wewe ni mtu msiri.
Msiri kabisa.
Msiri.
See, when corruption doesn't involve you, ndio inakuwa corruption. When you are involved, bro, That's connection.
That's connection. Pesa balance sahi vile
As
uko.
the richest comrade in Moi University.
Unajua balance yako ya pesa?
Yeah, somehow, you know. And I know where it ranges, you know.
You know where it ranges. See exactly. Unajua 27 bob.
Oh.
Si kujua
I know where it ranges.
unajua ina range sahi iko kitu kama
It's approaching 100, right? Approaching 100.
100k.
Yeah.
You are zero.
Not that I'm zero. I'm not that bad, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.